Hello, this is Steve North, back with another episode of the Steve North Show. The Steve North well, I can't come up with a suitable word. I'm sure a few of my friends could come up with some alternative descriptions. But I'm not going to speculate there. I'm just going to read another poem from this book. It's my own. I haven't received permission to read anybody else's from this book, so we will proceed with There Was a Sound of Thunder from the book Guardians of the Quill Anthology, Volume 2. The sun at noon, with rain a brooding promise, the azure sky festooned with angry towering clouds, lush plants and tropical trees with vines climb the valley walls and overhang the jungle stream as we wade through, the warm water up to our chest and exit near a tumble of rocks. A hint of flowers perfumes the heated air. Sweat rolls down my face. My unbuttoned shirt sticks to my chest and back. We come across a hint of a paved road, of overgrown, crumbling bricks. And we go on, and my heart beats faster. Could this be what we seek? I pause a moment, and up and down the line the members of our expedition do the same. I drink water from my canteen, take off my pith helmet, pour some water on my towel and over my head, while my companions do similar things. With machetes we move on, until gradually we reach a point where the path widens and intersects a ruined boulevard that winds deeper into the jungle, and it was there that our mercenary guide and porters refused to go any further. Yet we went on, despite a growing dread we all could feel. Toward sunset we climbed stairs up the spur of a mountain, and at the top of that offshoot of rock a temple with many columns and a statue of a female, a goddess, seated on a throne, bordered with yellowed and broken bones and skulls, and she wore a terrible smile, her hair a wild brunette mane beneath an elaborate crown, her torso mostly bare with bangles on her arms and wrists. The statue stood and spoke my name. Suddenly I was aware that my breath was short, my blood throbbing in my veins, my member hard, my need for her great. It was just she and I, and a delicious fear of what I knew not. One of us was about to be devoured and consumed. I remembered the bones, and I didn't care. A moment more. I savored as if in a fever. We tore what we wore from one another, and when we embraced and coupled, there was a sound of thunder. Thank you for sticking with me all the way till the end. That one might have been a little more adult in nature than any I've read previously. You should be aware that there are, it might get a little more descriptive in some of my works, so if you haven't read my poetry books, I do try to make that clear. in my poetry, although my focus is not there. Anyway, thanks again. From somewhat chilly St. Petersburg, Florida, we have one more day, supposedly, of cold weather to endure. And then it'll be back to the 70s, supposedly, next week. So I hope this finds you in great health and doing well. Thanks again for listening. Good night.